What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't joined us before, we are roaming with the Richards. My name's Jonathan. This is my wife Angelica, and we are here at Dollywood's DreamMore Resort. We're going to check out their breakfast over here at the Song Hearth restaurant. Let's go inside and check it out.
So here at the Song Hearth, the breakfast is primarily a buffet. Children under 4 are free, complimentary. So they do have a pancake station, a chef station where you can get all of those breakfast selections. You can create your own omelet, order your own what kind of eggs you want, like if you want fried, scrambled. You can also get the cinnamon bread. And they even have some cocktails available like a Bloody Mary, mimosa, poinsettia, or peach bellini. So you have a lot of options here. Let's go check out the buffet.
So over here at the pancake station, they do have birthday cake, buttermilk, chocolate chip. On the pancake heart, they do have waffles, but also on the looks like M&Ms with different designs with it. All right, they do have applewood smoked bacon, chicken apple sausage, and sausage links. Angelica's gonna grab some applewood bacon.
I'm gonna grab some chicken apple sausage too, I think. Okay, so there's your regular sausage links and the chicken apple sausage. I'm gonna just grab one of each. Some meat lovers breakfast here.
All right, they do have biscuits and gravy. And here are the hash browns. And right next to it is the breakfast potatoes.
I'm gonna try a little scoop of each because I'm curious on which one I like better.
All right, so 2 different scrambled eggs here. You got the regular scrambled eggs, and then you also have Denver scrambled eggs.
It looks like it's got cheese, some of the potatoes in it, and just a variety of different, it's almost like a breakfast casserole.
On the fruit bar end, they do have pineapple, honeydew, and cantaloupe. And on the other side, they do have vanilla yogurt parfait. Up here in the kids' corner, they do have French toast sticks, bread pudding, biscuits, and then this is the biscuit station where you have all kinds of toppings you can get with your breakfast. All right, so I'm not going to show off Angelica's plate because you just saw it kind of being built. I got, just for right now, a omelet with bacon, sausage, and ham, and then I just got 1 strip of bacon and 1 strip, like 1 sausage link. So then I'll probably go up and get something else. On our second round, I just gotten 2 pancakes. Angel got an omelet with bacon, mushroom, and spinach. We also got this donut over here that we're gonna try.
Alright guys, so that was our breakfast here at the Song Hearth at DreamMore Resort at Dollywood. It was really good. We really enjoyed it. Very similar to Heart Song's buffet for breakfast, and both are just really nice. You do get a really good discount if you're a pass holder. We got like, what, 20% for Diamond? So it's actually a really good price for what you get. And kids 3 and under are included with the adults. So your kids that don't eat that much, you're not having to pay for a full buffet for them.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, help us out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll catch y'all next time.
Thanks for watching.
Later.